Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. This is Mimi Guapa. Today I'm gonna do a poetry reading that I have written and I will share it with you by reciting it. This one I wrote this last April 19, 2026. It is entitled Fastidiously Mimi. Here it goes. I hope I can be consistently fastidious, the one so careful about the details, and not the one so hard to please, just someone who can give your life an ease. At times when I do something for my creative and scholarly endeavors, I forgot to be fastidious. I let my flaws go obvious. So, as I sashay along my day, filled with gratefulness to many people, let me share a smile of glee, genuinely seasoned with a brand of me. Because in this life, I am just a passerby, I don't always know the how and the why, but I try to share what I have with fastidious touches of love. Fastidiously Mimi, written and performed by Mimi Guapa.